Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Vortex Optics Viper PST General Focal Plane Rifle Scopes. The Viper PST Gen 2 525x50 is the best long-range AR-10 rifle on the market. The Viper PST Gen 2 takes incredible performance and rock-solid tactical features to new heights. The 525x50 first focal plane rifle scope is incredibly versatile and ideal for close to long range. Shooters who dial their turrets for bullet drop and wind compensation will appreciate the laser-edge turrets, adjustable parallax and the RZR0 stop. A fiber optic rotation indicator ensures you. The reticle offers shooters highly functional, intuitive, and detailed hold points, yet remains uncluttered for optimal viewing and features 10 intensity levels with off positions between each. Our second best scope for our 10 is UTG 30mm compact scope. If you're looking for a good budget AR-10 scope, look no further than the UTG scope. The glass is no Vortex Diamondback or primary Arms Silver series. But it gets the job done. You can even change the line colors to 1 out of 36 colors. That's a pretty cool feature but not needed. The eye box was tight at the highest magnification. So if you intend to use the scope solely at 12x mag, I'd look for another option. That's way too heavy for hunting. Even worse, the scope's length, which some have described as having a Pringles can on top of your rifle. That's pretty accurate. That's why I recommend using the UTG for only shooting at the range or where there's limited movement. It will slow you down. 30mm tube built on true strength platform, sealed and nitrogen filled, shockproof, fog-proof, and rainproof. Best-in-class multi-emerald coated lenses, integrated angled front sunshade complete with flip-open lens caps. Third in our list is Vortex Optics Diamondback Plane Rifle Scopes. If you hunt with your AR-10, you need to get yourself a Vortex Diamondback 412x40. The glass clarity is good for the price, but the primary arms glass is better. It works well in low light conditions. The scope's got a bit of distortion wherever you go to the highest magnification 12x. It's still usable but noticeable. The dead hold BDC reticle makes long distance shots easy. You simply zero at 100 yards and then use the hash marks to guide your shot. At this magnification, the eye box gets a bit tight. To solve it, I used proper mounting hardware and good cheek weld. And it only weighs a light 14.6 ounces. This makes it perfect for hunters that are constantly moving around, stalking their prey. The Diamondback 412x40 rifle scope is one of multiple configurations in the Diamondback lineup and is ideal for big game, predator varmint, muzzleloader, slug shotgun, and long-range applications. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, this is Joe with Vortex Optics. We're here today to talk to you about the Diamondback Rifle Scope series. The Diamondback has a reputation in the industry for one of the best hunting scopes your money can buy. The Diamondback comes in various configurations and reticles, which you'll see here. Let's take a minute to walk you through this amazing rifle scope. Starting at the front of the scope, all lenses are fully multi-coated for crystal clear, bright images from dawn to dusk. Going onto the tube, it's a solid one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube for superior durability and shockproof. Internally, the scope is argon purged and O-ring sealed for a lifetime of waterproof and fog-proof performance. Moving on to the turrets, they're metal-on-metal precision turrets that offer the ability to zero reset after sight-in. Again, as we move inside the scope, we have a precision glide erector system which ensures accurate tracking and repeatability. And then as we make our way to the back of the scope, we have a fast focus eyepiece that allows you to quickly get a clear image of your reticle and then very generous eye relief. And that's going to cover it for the Vortex Diamondback Rifle Scope. If you're looking to stretch your dollar for the best hunting rifle scope that your money can buy, I strongly urge you head down to your local Vortex dealer to take a look at one of these today. As with all of our rifle scopes, the Diamondback comes with our legendary VIP warranty, which is our lifetime, unconditional, unlimited guarantee.
Number 4 in our best scope for our 10 list is Primary Arms SLX SFP Rifle Scope. This scope comes in a mil-reticle configuration regarding subtensions. That means holdover is workable to medium range with a simple holdover off the illuminated reticle 0 point. This FFP scope and optic also has open turret adjustments for fast advance range or wind bullet impact calculations with bullet drop compensation. The side adjustment for parallax and focus adjustment makes the task easy and allows the shooter to keep eyes front and in the sights while adjusting for these fine optical tuning elements. The scope cuts to 1x10 MOA adjustments for very fine tuning as in medium range or long range shooting or taking small targets at longer distances. Our last pick is Vortex Optics Strike Eagle Plain Rifle Scopes. The Vortex Strike Eagle 424x50 is the top short to long range AR-10 scope for the money. The dispersion glass is clear as day. The 50mm objective lens and fully multi-coated coating maximizes light transmission. This yields a bright, crisp image that works well in low light conditions. However, slight distortion along the edges become apparent at the highest magnification. The reticle's quite advanced. It's specifically designed for long-distance shots, estimating holdover, range, windage, and more. It's also set in the second focal plane. This means the reticle size remains the same regardless of the zoom. This makes the second focal plane reticle usable at all ranges. Fully multi-coated lenses produce crisp, bright images and you can see your target when it counts. The glass-etched, second focal plane reticle gives detailed hold points yet remains visually clean for optimal viewing. A highly versatile 6x zoom range lends itself to a wide array of shooting scenarios. A streamlined, side parallax knob with built-in illumination rotates through 11 levels of brightness and runs on a CR2032 battery. 0 resettable, tactical style turrets have clearly marked adjustment rotation indicators that ensure accurate dialing and reference of travel within the optic.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!